Manipur Government Higher Secondary Lecturers Welfare Association (MGHSLWA) today organized the first felicitation ceremony of the position holders and overall school toppers of government higher secondary schools in the Class 12 examination 2025 conducted by COSEM at the auditorium of CC Higher Secondary School, Imphal. The function was graced by Education S Secretary Naurim Praveen, Director of Education S NG Bugendra, COSEM Controller of Examinations Oinam Joy Singh, CC Higher Secondary School Principal KH Memtonbi, and MGHS LWA President L Ishwajit as the main dignitaries. Principals and students of various government higher secondary schools also attended the function, where the dignitaries lauded the initiative taken up by MGHSLWA. Later, MGHSLWA President L Ishwajit addressed the media and aired the inconveniences faced in government schools due to shortage of teachers. He urged the authorities concerned to introduce a transparent transfer and posting policy to alleviate the plights of the government schools, while highlighting that there are only 57 sanctioned posts for principal and vice principals for 77 government higher secondary schools at present. Ishwajit appealed the government to create the required post. He also asked the government to improve infrastructures of the government schools with the introduction of smart class facilities.
Problem transfer policy to the roster rotation school strength teacher people ratio study policy policy no hybermak natragasu madudagi afabasing lokhat piraga sarkar organ modification to transfer and the posting policy sima clear cut oiba ama sarkari site ki thamjani